2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So less this screw. We'll try with the back plate first. RAM here, back plate. Screw. Cable here. This is the fan cable. Power cable. Okay. There's an RGB and 2 fan, 3 fan and 1 RGB. Okay, the thermal paste, the stock one. 2 less. 2 liters, and the quality of the paste, I don't think it's a good quality. Okay, I'm gonna take out. I'm gonna repaste it. You have to be gentle because this is a new set. Okay, you have to be very gentle. It's like a virgin. I guess this is the RGB. Okay, have to be careful. I don't want to take the risk. It's too tight. Okay, just to show you guys what it looks like. Okay, this is the thermal paste. Original one look like brownish. Look like a very dirty thermal paste. So I don't think it's a good quality. I'm not sure, but I strongly feel that it's not very good. Now I'm gonna remove it first. Be very gentle. I don't want to touch the side. Brush. everything. This is more easy cleaning than the 980 Ti, the gain one, because they don't have the cover. I need another brush. As gentle as possible. Oh, that is not thermal paste. Lucky I used a very soft plastic. Okay, the next one is I'm going to clean up this side. Actually, the design is very nice, because if you can see, the processor is touching the copper directly to the copper, not to the aluminum heatsink. Oh, I guess it's a very good design, but the temperature is still a bit high when I try to overclock it. So I'm gonna repaste it and see is there any different, how big is the difference. Because this is a very good cut. I can overclock up to 2070 megahertz and 4340 megahertz on the RAM. So it's a very great cut. Just the heat is stuttering, because once the heat reaches 65 degrees, the frequency from 2070 will drop to 2050 and 2030. So there is a thermal stuttering, which you didn't get the full performance out of it. I'm going to use my special thermal paste. It's going to finish it already. I'm going to use my special tools. Of course, my lighter. Because of my special thermal paste, the viscosity is very thick, so it's very hard to spread out. I have to use heat to make it smooth. So this is my special tools, steel one. I can heat it up and then I can spray it up easily. Just put the most thinnest spread out. clean up. Be very gentle. There's a lot of diodes chips in the side way. Very gentle. No force, just smoothly ride it out. And make sure the copper is thick enough and you never touch the tip of the this what do you call it? I forgot what you call it. Okay, the next one is just brush it off. The thickness is very thin. This is very thin. It's thinner than the previous one. So I think this one should work better. Actually, it might be the same. So on the plate here, we'll see. Okay, I don't want to take risks. I have to do it standing. As usual, the best, one of the best. All you need to do is spread on the copper and not the aluminum, because the aluminum is not touching the GPU chip. So you just need to do it on the copper side. Okay, the top layer, we adjust the thickness. Okay, that's very good. Clean up the top layer. This one looks good. Okay, touching the copper. Okay, this one thin enough. It's not too thin, but not too thick. Just the right consistency. Because if you have to know the viscosity of the thermal paste you're using. If it is too watery, so you put a lot here and then it will spread out a lot. It does definitely will touch the chip. But the viscosity is very high, so you can even use like rubber, you know, you're like digging your nose. You know? I mean, if you put it here, just the right thickness, it won't spread out. It just will be sideways. The most it will touch is this side or this side. Okay, this side. So it won't touch the diode. So you have to understand your thermal paste thickness, viscosity. Okay, I think I'm done here. I'm gonna plug back here. Plug back the power. Plug back the bottom power. Okay, everything is intact. Next thing is put it back. The holes. Okay, the hole is here. The hole is here. Slip. Find the holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay. Double check. Always. Because this is not a chip card. We don't want to mess it. And the cable, everything is there's space to move around. Okay. Hold it both tight. Turn it around. First thing, gonna install back the screw of the GPU. 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm gonna start with this side. Not too tight. Okay. Okay, tighten it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Check. Reram thermal pad. Reram thermal pad. Yes, everything is there. So I'm gonna close it with the 3 more screws. One, 2, last one. I think I'm done with the service. Okay, everything else just clean it. Don't make a mess. This is not a cheap graphic card. Take good care of it like your baby. Okay, clean everything. I don't have to clean the fan because it's new. I just bought it new, and after tested it, I still decided to change the thermal paste because the heat is the problem. Will cause the thermal throttling. so you can't overclock. Even though you're overclock at 2070, once the heat rises, it will go down to 2030 or 2050. That's the max. So I'm gonna put it in by the rig, and I'm gonna test benchmark again. I'll make a video.